क्या कहना चाहेंगे, आपकी तबीयत कैसी है?
Strikes really which is taking place in Delhi as Aam Aadmi Party's drama just refuses to die down. Sacked Delhi minister's hunger strike has entered day 5 and the doctors have started expressing concerns over the health of Kapil Mishra. But the AAP leader has alleged conspiracy and continues to claim that he is fit and fine. Delhi police meanwhile reached his home on Saturday night in an attempt to get him to end his agitation. But now Mishra has threatened a bigger expose against Kejriwal instead.
You can very clearly see there was a conspiracy to end the fast, and those doctors who came earlier, they were directly reporting to Satinder Jain ji, and they wrote it to police and they said that if I am not hospitalized immediately, then there is a threat to my life. I am standing here since morning, everyone is observing me in front of camera. I am talking to people, meeting people, doing all my activities very normally. So I challenged the report and I realized that there is a conspiracy to end the fast just before the big expose that's going to happen tomorrow. So I challenged it. A team from RML came and in front of camera they tested and everything is normal. So it was a panic being created knowingly, intentionally to end my fast. It was a conspiracy and it's everyone knows now.
All right, let me go across to my colleague Piyush, who is joining us live from the place where Kapil Mishra is sitting on a hunger strike. And Piyush, I believe even now a team of doctors has gone to check Kapil Mishra. Is he cooperating with them?
Well, absolutely no. Like you pointed out that yes, doctors have gone inside, and since last night, doctors from RML are present here inside the residence of Kapil Mishra. And as you also know that yesterday Delhi police tried to end the fast of Kapil Mishra, which he's which he's taking for the last 3 days. And now, as we are reporting, we can confirm to our viewers that Kapil Mishra, as of now, has confirmed that he is not going to go under any kind of medical examination till the time he does his next expose, which means till 11 is not going to go under any kind of medical examination. And my video journalist will show you that how a good number of Delhi police personnel have been placed here since last night as Delhi police arrived here to break the strike of Kapil Mishra. But Kapil Mishra has refused to break his hunger strike. He's saying that he is going to do his next big expose today at 11 a.m. in the morning. But yes, the big question is that it's been 5 days. Why Arvind Kejriwal and his leaders are not coming out on the allegations those have been leveled by Kapil Mishra? Why they are not coming out clean on the allegations those have been leveled by their former senior leader and also their minister? The big question is for how long Arvind Kejriwal will maintain his silence, and why is he not coming out with an explanation as far as the allegations those have been leveled by Kapil Mishra? And right now you can see that an ambulance has also been placed inside the residence of Kapil Mishra so that he can be taken in this if the situation worsens of Kapil Mishra, because he is sitting on hunger strike for the last 5 days. And this is the entry gate of Kapil Mishra's residence, and it's locked from inside. He has decided not to come out, not to go under any kind of medical test. He is saying that till the time he is not done with his next big expose, Kapil Mishra has confirmed to us that he is not going to undergo any kind of medical test. Back to you.
Okay, so there is a big team of police and doctors who are present there at Kapil Mishra's residence where he's sitting on a hunger strike. Today is day 5. He's not cooperating so far to go with them, at least admit himself in the hospital. Let's take a listen to some of the reactions that we have from doctors and police authorities.
The test has not been completed. Okay. Still the urine state is pending.
But currently the vitals are normal, it seems?
I don't know whether I can comment on that.
Okay.
I have to take permission from the police to
tell the details. Examination that
can I tell them the details? No, no?
Once we receive the details.
Yeah, then only I can talk to you, no?
We are awaiting for the report. Thereafter, whatever comes in the report, we will act accordingly.
हॉस्पिटल की क्या रिपोर्ट थी जिसको लेकर सर आप आए थे? क्या तबीयत खराब है उनके हिसाब से?
उस रिपोर्ट में लिखा गया था इमीडिएट हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन. उसके बाद पुलिस ने जो है उनको जो विधायक हैं कपिल मिश्रा, उनको वी रिक्वेस्टेड कि एज पर दिस रिपोर्ट हम आपको हॉस्पिटलाइज करना चाहते हैं बिकॉज डॉक्टर्स हैव रिकमेंडेड, और बट ही सेड कि वो दोबारा री मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन करवाना चाहते हैं। उसके बाद आरएमएल से एक मेडिकल टीम को बुलाया गया है और अभी हमारे पास मेडिकल रिपोर्ट अभी अवेलेबल नहीं है और वी आर अवेटिंग फॉर द मेडिकल।
Okay, once again, let's go across to Piyush. Kapil Mishra says that he will not end his fast and he will not cooperate with the doctors to go and admit himself in the hospital. Rather, he is claiming of another expose at about 11 today. Has he given any hint? What could that be on?
No, as of now, he has not given any hint. Like last time also, you know, while he was going to make a big expose on Arvind Kejriwal that he had taken 2 crore from Satyendra Jain, he had not given any kind of hint. And today also, we have not learnt any kind of, hint from Kapil Mishra as to what is he going to do. But yes, it will be interesting to know that what is he going to speak, what would be the big expose at 11. But yes, the big question is that it's been more than a week. Last Sunday itself, we reported how Kapil Mishra had leveled serious allegations on Arvind Kejriwal, but it's been a week and there is no explanation from Arvind Kejriwal, and today Kapil Mishra is going to make another expose.